We're going to be looking at, in this video, how to determine if three side lengths of a triangle form a right triangle. Okay, so let's take a look at our first example here. Let's say I have a triangle and its side lengths are 18, 24, and 30. And our job is to say, yes, that is a right triangle, or no, that is not a right triangle. Okay, so first we need to identify what A, B, and C are. Because remember, A squared plus B squared equals C squared is the formula, is the Pythagorean theorem, that's going to allow us to make this conclusion. Remember, C is always the longest side of your triangle. Okay, so in this case, C has to be 30. Right? It has to be. It doesn't matter what A and B are, but C has to be 30. So also, all we need to do is plug in our side lengths, A, B, and C, and see if we get a true statement. So we're basically asking, is 18 squared plus 24 squared equal to 30 squared? Let's find out. Let's see. 18 squared is going to give us 324. 24 squared is 576. 30 squared is 900. So is 324 plus 576 equal to 900? The answer to that question is yes, it is. So since we get a true statement here, since 900 is equal to 900, these side lengths satisfy the Pythagorean theorem. So that means that this is an example of a right triangle. Yes, this is a right triangle. Okay. Let's take a look at another example. Get all of my stuff erased here. And if you remember, I know at least my class has talked about this, that is a 3, 4, 5 triangle, is it not? If you divide all of those side lengths by, it looks like 6, if you divide them all by 6, you'll get 3, 4, 5. That can help you save a little bit of time. Those special types of triangles that we've talked about. 3, 4, 5, and 5, 12, 13 are the most common ones. Let's take a look at one more. 7, 14, and 18. So remember, the longest side has to be C. It doesn't matter what A and B are. So let's see. Is A squared plus B squared equal to C squared in this case? Let's find out. Is 7 squared plus 14 squared equal to 18 squared? Okay. 7 squared is 49. 14 squared is 196. And 18 squared is 324. Is 49 plus 196 equal to 324? It is not in this case. So I end up getting 245 is equal to 324, which is not a true statement. Those two are not equal. So this is not a right triangle. Okay, so you would say no, this is not a right triangle. And all your explanation needs to be is just saying that, not plural here, not a right triangle, so that doesn't make sense. All your explanation needs to be, if somebody were to ask you why, you just say because it doesn't satisfy the Pythagorean theorem.